Sa isang video ay ihahatid nila Kuya RJ at Kuya Wancho ang Marias sa school. Ayon kay Kuya RJ na sila muna ang maghahatid kasi hindi maganda ang pakiramdam ni Kuya Tutoy, sabay din si Buddy Day para i-drop na lang nila sa Banggit. Dagdag niya na inuubo-ubo si Kuya Tutoy tsaka high blood ito kaya nandyan naman silang dalawa ni Kuya Wancho ay tutulungan na muna nila ito. Pumasok na nga ang apat na Marias sa sasakyan at maririnig naman ang boses ni Mother Ethel. Sabi ni Kuya RJ na ihahatid sana ni Mother Ethel ang apat kaso hindi kasya sa motor. Sabay bumati ng good morning ang Marias at tinanong sila ni Kuya RJ kung ready na ba sila. Sabay naman silang sumagot ng yes we are ready. Natawa na lang si Kuya RJ kasi English speaking na ang mga ito, malalamang tinuruan pala sila ni Kuya RJ ng English at para masanay ang mga ito. May challenge sila na hindi magsalita ng Tagalog kaya nagpakitang gilas agad si Irene. Sinabi ni Irene na, "Tita good morning, today is my driver is Kuya RJ, because Kuya Tutoy I'm sick." Natawa naman si Buddy Day pati si Kuya RJ dahil sa I'm na ginamit ni Irene. Napahalakhak na lang din si Irene at sa sobrang saya nila ay maling kalsada na ang dinaanan ni Kuya RJ. Sabi ni Kuya RJ na namali yung U-turn niya at sabay kinorek ang because Kuya Tutoy I'm sick ni Irene, sabi niya na because Kuya Tutoy is sick dapat yon. Tinanong ni Kuya RJ si Erna ng how's your sleep? Sumagot naman si Erna ng it's alright. Tinanong ulit ni Kuya RJ si Erna ng, did you sleep well? Sumagot naman si Erna ng yes. Tinanong ulit siya ni Kuya RJ, did you finish your assignment? Sumagot naman si Erna ng yes at sinabihan siya ni Kuya RJ ng very good. Sunod namang tinanong ni Kuya RJ ay si Ate Buddy Day. Tanong niya, how about Ate Buddy Day? How's your sleep Ate Buddy Day? Sumagot naman si Buddy Day, my sleep is very okay that I really like my, sabay tawa. Kaya biniro siya ni Kuya RJ at sinabing, your English is limited for now. Tumawa na lang din si Buddy Day at sinabing, because I'm not feeling well. Nagulat naman si Kuya RJ at tinanong siya ng, you're not feeling well, why? Sumagot naman si Buddy Day ng because Otal ito kaya biniro na lang siya ni Kuya RJ ng why because of your English. Sabay tawa at natawa na lang din si Buddy Day. Tinanong naman ni Kuya RJ si Irene ng how's your sleep? Sumagot si Irene ng my sleep is good, I'm happy together. Si Marjorie naman ang tinanong ni Kuya RJ ng how's your sleep? Sumagot si Marjorie ng pabiro at sinabing I'm Philippines, sleep well sabay tawa ng malakas. Natawa na lang din si Kuya RJ sa biro nito at sinabing perfect. Sabi ni Kuya RJ sa kanila na we need to practice English. Every day we need to speak English at least 2 hours, maybe it's a big help. Sumang-ayon naman si Buddy Day at sinubukan pa nitong sumagot sa English kaso hanggang sa because lang ang mabigkas, kaya nagsalita na lang si Erna at sinabing because of climate change. Sobrang napahalakhak na lang ang apat sa sinabi ni Erna at ganon din si Kuya RJ. Nagsalita naman si Kuya Wancho at sinabing you sure it's about climate change, not global warming. Sinabi ni Buddy Day na English is very important. Nagsalita si Kuya RJ na yes, because as a nursing student she need to learn how to speak in English, because someday she will have patient that is not a Filipino or maybe she will work outside of the Philippines, like for example in the United States or different parts of the world, so she need to speak English. Nagsalita naman si Buddy Day na yes English is very important, because she writing an essay. Pinayohan siya ni Kuya RJ na she need to practice English writing, sometimes we need to speak English so that we can enhance our vocabulary, pronunciation and many more. Dagdag ni Kuya RJ na he is not good in English also, but he can understand, he can communicate, not fluently but the important thing is you can understand each other, you can express your thoughts, that's the important. Because if you go to Saudi Arabia or some other places like India, Saudi, Italy or country does not use English, you cannot use your straight English or your fluent English. Pagkatapos ay dumating na nga sila sa school ng Marias at sinabihan sila ni Kuya RJ na always remember to study hard, listen to teacher and don't be stubborn. Nagsalita naman si Irene at nag-thank you kay Kuya RJ at Kuya Wancho sa paghatid nila. Pabirong sumagot si Kuya RJ at sinabing "You're welcome Quezon City." Sabay tawa, sinabihan din niya ang Marias na whenever they have a problem here just message us and take care. Sumagot naman ang apat ng yes, lumabas na nga sila sa sasakyan at makikitang paakyat na ang tatlong Marias papunta sa kani-kanilang mga room. At para sa more summary video ng Pugong Biyahero, huwag kalimotang mag-like and subscribe.